Hey, check this out. I got a new dash cam from Thinkware. Let's go check it out. In this video, we're going to take a look at Thinkware dual channel dash cam model F790. It has a front and rear camera, it has a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and many more. You could find this on Amazon for around $300. Let's do unboxing. We are going to install the dash cam on this Scion. The installation is pretty straightforward. The hardest part of the installation is trying to hide the rear camera wire. So we're going to rip apart the interior panel so we can hide the wires. We're going to start with the rear camera, but first we have to take apart this brake light on top of the rear window. Okay, here is the rear camera wire. We are going to use this metal wire to help pull the cable through the car door. The rear camera wire is gonna go through here. It will come out here. Now we're gonna tape the end of the rear camera wire to this thin wire.
Ready?
Yep. Now the rear camera cable is pulled inside the back door. Now we are going to pull the rear camera cable through this rubber shield to the inside of the car. Now the cable is inside the rubber shield, we can put it back together. So this rear camera cable goes through the inside the back door, through this rubber shield, to the inside of the car. Now we are going to rip the interior wall of the car so that we can hide the wire. Now we are going to lay down the front camera wire near the rear view mirror. Here we are going to connect front camera wire and the rear camera wire. There are going to be lots of extra wires, so we are going to try to tie them down neatly and try to hide them. Now all the wires are hidden behind the walls, and now we are going to put everything back together. Here all the extra wires are all tied up and tucked away behind the front dashboard. Now we are going to plug in the power. Remember we had the cigarette lighter power plug? Well, it turned out that it doesn't have the plug on the camera, so we have to find a different way to find the power. Another way to get power is plug it directly to the car fuse box. This is a bit tricky because you have to find your car fuse box and figure out where it goes. We also have to buy these adapter plugs from Amazon. We need two of them. One for the power while engine is on, and one for power when the engine is turned off. Refer to the manual for detail. First, we are going to do the yellow wire. Yellow wires, the power when the engine is turned off. This is when you want to activate the camera when the car is parked. Red wire is for power when the engine is turned on. Okay, so both yellow wire and red wires are connected with the fuse box adapter. Now we are going to plug into the fuse box. First, you have to take out the fuse, then plug the fuse on the adapter, then plug the whole thing into the fuse box again. Finally, we are going to connect the ground wire, which is a black wire. Ground wire is connected to any metal around it. Now we are ready to connect the front camera. After you stick the front camera, we are going to check the camera location using the app and adjust necessary. Before we put the rear camera, we are going to put the brake light first. The rear camera wire sticks out of the cover, so we are going to cut a little hole there so it will fit nicely. Now we are going to connect the back camera. Next, we need to configure the app. Go to the App Store and look for Thinkware Dashcam app. Go ahead and download it and open. In order to connect the app to the dashcam, we need to use Wi-Fi. First, turn on the Wi-Fi on dashcam by pressing Wi-Fi button. Then from your phone, connect to Thinkware Wi-Fi.
Connected to a smartphone.
So here's the app interface. If you want to watch the video camera live, click on the live view button. First, you will see the front camera. If you want to look at the rear camera, click R on the top. Then you will see the rear view camera. You'll notice that every video is encoded with speed of the car and the time and date. If you want to look at the recorded videos, go to the file list. The video files are separated into different folders. Go to each folder to look at the videos. The videos labeled with F is front camera and R is a rear camera. Dashcam settings section is where you make all the changes to your dashcam. First, we have memory settings, camera settings, recording settings, road safety settings, and system settings. One of the cool features of this dashcam is parking mode. Not only records the video while you're driving, it also acts as a security camera when you are not driving. But parking mode only works when you connect the dashcam directly to the fuse box, like how we did previously. Here you have control over different parking modes. I like to put it in the energy saving mode where it only records when someone hit the car. It records 20 seconds after the impact. Dashcam also has a battery protection feature where it won't drain the battery when car battery is low. There are many other cool features in this dashcam, such as road safety features. You could read more about this in the manual. Easiest way to download the video files using your phone app. Just go to the video and click download. Another way is to take out the SD card and insert it into your computer. This is what it looks like. If you put it in the computer, you notice that there's a different folders for different video files. Oh, by the way, you can also get the user guide inside the SD card. You could also use this free video viewer app you could download from the website. This dashcam is a must-have for your car. It has a lot of great features. So I'll put all the information down below in the description, all the links and everything, so you could go and check it out. Thanks for watching.